Hello again, everyone. It's your host of Whiskey and Washers, Ryan. I got Simon over there chilling, getting a little shade. I got the tree with the bonsai on top. Looking good. Bonsai! I've had a fantastic Monday. I hope you have as well. Finished off my bottle of Rowan's Creek. So you know what? I got a good bottle left, This may be my little nightcapper. Ooh, that is really close. Let me zoom you. Oh, there you go. Look at that. So, gonna go with the Knob Creek 9-year single barrel. Ooh, just need a little bit. That's right. Oh, drank. Yeah. Drank all of my Rowan's Creek. Those podcasts are up and online. If you haven't seen them, oh goodness sakes. It was a good Monday, and I'm still here. It's about 4:30. Sun is got me all the way in the shade already on this just gorgeous October afternoon. Oh my. That flavor on that Knob Creek, oh, it's just so robust. I absolutely love it. Hopefully you'll love watching me shoot some washers in the middle. Ooh. There's one in the middle. Well, that might go in. That might have gone in. Oh. And you can see my fallen Rowan's Creek soldier. Yeah, unfortunate, but just the one in. That's 3 points. 4, 5, 6, 7 total points on the first round. 9 washers in. I've had some good shows today. Well, let me rephrase that. I've had some good washer games on shows today. First podcast with the 9-year Knob Creek. Oh, it's delicious. Finished that off today as well. It's been a long Monday for me. Oh, but 100% delightful. Just absolutely enjoyed every minute of it. Hopefully you've enjoyed it with me as well. Oh, how about we finish it off with just a lot of washers right in the middle. There it is. Well. The washers were good earlier. They're slipping a little bit, unfortunately. Oh, just one in again. I'm gonna have a just that flavor. 6, 7, 8 total points. That's right. 15 points after 18 washers thrown. Yeah, that's right there. Oh, I will say I do enjoy the Knob Creek just a little bit more than the Rowan's Creek. Who? I've been going up a creek all day, I guess. I didn't even think about it when I picked the the Knob Creek. Oh my goodness. The irony, I love it. Anyway, of the 2 creeks I've had today, the Knob, just so much more flavor. 120 proof. Of course, you're going to get that out of 120 proof instead of out of the 100 like the Rowan's Creek. So, I mean, that's expected. 2 in. Oh, that coulda, shoulda, woulda. Oh, that's poor. How about, oh man. Got a couple in there this time. But yeah, I guess I've been up a creek all day. Oh, and a lovely creek. 2 in and 3 on. That's 9 points. Let's make sure. Hold on. And none back there. 9 points. Ooh. I don't know if you heard that. I got a varmint somewhere right in there. right in the grass, making some noise. All right, 9 plus 15 is 24. That's that point right there. 27 washers thrown. I gotta be careful. Oh, I hope I don't have a predator just outside the fence. Of course, if I quit talking, maybe you could hear it. Oh, easier said than done. Damn it, I'm a Herman. Yeah, it's somewhere right out there. So, yeah. Maybe, hey, maybe it's an animal that likes bourbon. Goodness sakes. I'm an animal that likes bourbon. I freaking love it. I enjoy the washers too. That's right. First one in. That's in. That's in. Oh, in the grass. Oh. Just all over it. Couldn't pepper the middle real good. Oh. I was at 24 before that performance of a throw right there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Taking 11 there. 11 plus 24. Gotta set my drink down, make sure it doesn't spill. 11 plus 24 is 35, which is that point right there. Yep. 35 points. 36 washes thrown. So not on a fantastic pace by any means. I would call that a bad pace, but washer's coming off pretty good, honestly. Just enjoying the bourbon. And I love being outside. Out here, Simon's out here enjoying the evening with me. He's getting a little sun right now. I need 15 points right here. 15 points will, that'll finish it. That was bad. There's 3, 4, 5, 8, 11, 14. Oh, I think 15. Oh, I think 15. Oh, oh, ooh, I need 15 more. Hold on, let's show you. I'm at 35. 20 down the right side, and then 15 more. 35, I need 15. Come on, no whammy, no whammy. 3, 6, 9, 12 right there. 13, 14, 14, oh, and 15. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, 15 plus 35 is 50. And I'm not going to brag about how quickly that was done. I believe 45 throws. But, oh, that's fun to hit it right on the number. Oh, my goodness. And I'm enjoying my Knob Creek 9-year single barrel. Oh, it's been delicious. As I've shown previous podcasts, but it's still delicious. Loving it. Oh, my goodness. And I'm loving my evening. Goodness sakes. I might have one more in me. Dang it. Don't judge me. I'm sorry. I'm your host, Ryan of Whiskey and Washers, and I just enjoy both things way too much. So many videos, so many drinks, but so much more to come. Hey, what are you going to do? Hopefully you'll join me with more Whiskey and Washers.